Hey there YouTube, what's going on? It's TechView26 here, hopefully all is well, and today I have a pretty cool video for you. I'm excited to do this video because I know a lot of people use a lot of software on their computers, and today this video is going to cover how you can get most software, download most programs for free. This goes out towards anyone who owns a computer. Everybody knows that software is expensive, especially ones that are really staples in the lives of many people, like Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is huge. It's immensely popular, and they come out with updates. Microsoft comes out with updates for Microsoft Office every year, every 2 years, and they're quite expensive. They're $100 to $150. Apple comes out with the equivalent to Microsoft Office and iWorks. That's $75. And a bunch of other software can get pretty pricey, and for a lot of people, they just can't really afford all of the software that they want, like Call of Duty, the game, Screenium, ScreenFlow, a bunch of applications for Mac, PC. Software is expensive and not everyone can afford it. And luckily, with the advancement of technology, it's very easy to download these programs without having to pay anything. That's what I want to show you how to do today. A lot of people have the misconception that downloading free software is dangerous, risky to the computer, and very complicated, which is just completely not true. So I'm going to open up two windows to get this video started, and that's all you're going to need is two windows. I'm going to minimize one. It's probably running a little sluggish because I have a bunch of applications open right now. So okay, minimize the other. Alright, so they're pretty much split, so you can see a little bit of each one. So the first thing that you want to do is go to google.com, and if you couldn't figure out by the video title or what I just said, I'm going to show you how you can get most software for free. The thing you want to type in is Miro, and it should show up in the first link. Miro is an excellent port website or download. So just go to getmiro.com, which is this, or you can just type it in on Google and click the first link. And then here you want to click Download Miro 3.5.1. Okay, so after that downloads, I already downloaded it. I don't know why I just went into expose. I already downloaded it, so I'm going to minimize that screen real quick. And this is what it will show. This is what will show up after you download it on your desktop or your dock or in your downloads file or your applications. This is what Miro looks like. So open up Miro, and this is what it looks like. It's Miro Guide. It's basically a video programming, port sharing program. It's really good. It's really safe. I don't know anyone who's ever gotten a virus just from strictly downloading Miro. What you do in there is your problem, but if you follow these guidelines, it'll be incredibly simple to use Miro. So I typed in Pirate Bay on the search bar, which was a mistake, but if you go to home, this is what Miro looks like on the home screen. So after you download Miro, go to the other window that I told you to open. You can really X out the other window because you're not going to be using Miro.com anymore. Okay. And then you want to go to google.com, type in Pirate Bay. Okay. Then go to the piratebay.org, which is the first link. And another misconception is the Pirate Bay is a harmful site for your computer, and it's not if you do what I'm telling you to do. Okay, so in the Pirate Bay, avoid the search bar right now. Don't click on anything but how do I download. Okay, so click on how do I download, and as you can see, it is giving you a nice little layout for using the Pirate Bay with Miro, because if you use these two together, downloading software will be the easiest thing you've ever done. So what it will tell you to do is install Miro. That's the first step, which we already did. Launch Miro, and then click this button to add the Pirate Bay to your Miro sidebar. So basically, you're porting a condensed version of the Pirate Bay into your Miro program. So here you go, click subscribe, and it should open up your downloads folder. As you can see, I already did this, which is why I have all of these programs running, or these programs downloaded. So when you get the download finished, just click the download. And since I already have that, nothing happened, but when you click the download, it will open up Miro. Open Miro, and then you will see the Pirate Bay listed under websites, because basically what you downloaded was a subscription to Pirate Bay on Miro, and when you click the download from the downloads window, you will be getting this. So under websites, you're already going to be given Clearbits, uTorrent, Miro, or Miro, whatever you want to call it, Audio Guide, download music, movies, and underneath that should be the Pirate Bay. So under the Pirate Bay, at the Pirate Bay, click it, and here you are given a condensed version of the Pirate Bay website, and now you have a torrent in Miro to download all of this stuff, a program that can handle the downloads. So think of any software that you want. I just got a MacBook Air, so let's say I want to put Microsoft Office 2010 on it. Type in Microsoft Office 2010. And then here it lists the Windows, or what it's for. Windows, I can type in Mac, since I guess a lot of people use Windows. That's the first thing. Wait, is there an Office 2010 or is it 2011? It might be 2011. Yeah, it's 2011 for Mac. So Microsoft Office 2011 Mac. I guess 2010 is for Windows. I don't know. I'm not updated on Windows. But type in whatever software you want, whatever operating system you're using. And here you go. You have a bunch of downloads. Click on one. Generally, the one that appears on top is one that works. So scroll down and read about it, and when you think you want to download it, just click download this torrent. Do not click download, that's a ad. So download this torrent and go. It should appear right in library under downloading. So as you can see, it is now downloading. It's going to do all the stuff to check whether it is an application. It's going to start up, and then it's going to start downloading. That's how easy it is to download software of any kind, anything that you want, using Miro and the Pirate Bay. It's incredibly simple. I've really never experienced anything more simpler that involved downloading software. You can go back, you can type in Call of Duty, all of Call of Duty fans out there, Call of Duty Mac, and here you are just given many options for you to download. Always check the comments first, because sometimes they might be outdated, the serial might be outdated, so you just have to check the comments. And here it says this guy can't download it because the person didn't seed it enough, so we would go back and we would look at this one. This is Call of Duty 4 for Mac, and here we go. Some people are saying they can't download it, some people are saying it's perfect. Seeding is just basically readjusting all the stuff in there. So for the most part, all this stuff works. There are very few applications that I download that don't work. And look, I'm getting some porn requests on the right side. That's kind of nasty. But here we go. Microsoft Office is 2011 is still starting up. It's going to take a while to start up, and depending on the size of the file, it's going to take a while to download. But give it time. It's always worth waiting instead of paying $150 for it. But that's pretty much how you download software for free. It's very simple, very easy. And a quick little run through again, go to Miro.com, download Miro. Go to the PirateBay.com, click how do I download. Click the subscribe Miro, open up the download file, and it should subscribe you right into Miro. So it is awesome. It's very, very neat, very easy. And if this video helped you out, if you think it's cool, don't forget to comment, thumbs up, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Thanks guys. I will catch you in the next video.